Hello and welcome. My name is Raymond Keelis with Roadmap Technologies. Today, we'll be discussing Turbo, a powerful tool with application containerization, streaming, and repository capabilities. We'll be summarizing what Turbo is and how you can use it to run 16-bit software. What is Turbo? Turbo is an innovative platform that allows you to run applications directly on any Windows device without the need for installation. It uses application containerization to encapsulate applications along with their dependencies into a single executable file. Moreover, it provides a streaming service, allowing access to your applications from anywhere, anytime. Lastly, Turbo also has a repository feature where packaged applications can be stored and shared amongst your users. With Turbo, you can stream or locally cache your applications. With streaming, the applications are executed directly from the cloud. However, if you prefer a locally cached deployment, the applications are downloaded onto the device's hard drive and will run locally thereafter. Turbo offers robust security implementations, but I want to focus on three. First, applications run in isolated containers, ensuring that they don't make permanent changes to the host system. Further, if an application's vulnerability were to be exploited, the effects are typically contained within the virtual environment, meaning an attacker will have a much harder time gaining access to the host system or network. Lastly, Turbo makes patching software easy, thus reducing the likelihood that an app can be exploited to begin with. What are 16-bit applications? Well, to give you a bit of background, 16-bit applications refer to software that was designed for systems processing data in 16-bit chunks. These were quite popular in the early eras of computing. Now we have noticed that there are still a considerable number of customers who rely on these 16-bit applications for their business operations. However, continuing to use these applications can potentially raise security and compliance issues, both with software and hardware. That's where Turbo steps in. If your organization is one of those that still uses 16-bit applications, Turbo can significantly streamline the management and deployment process, ensuring a seamless transition to more current hardware and operating systems without sacrificing functionality. How do we use Turbo to run 16-bit software? If you're watching this video, then you likely need a solution to run your 16-bit applications. That's where our solution comes into play. We leverage the capabilities of Turbo to create a seamless bridge between now and then. Let's delve a bit deeper into how this works. Turbo encapsulates a DOS emulator within a containerized environment. What does that mean? Essentially, it creates a secure bubble where 16-bit applications can operate smoothly, just as they would on older systems they were originally designed for. This environment replicates the necessary conditions for these applications to function seamlessly on modern operating systems. One of the standout features of this solution is that it eliminates the need to enable the Windows NT Virtual DOS Machine feature, a functionality traditionally required to run 16-bit apps on newer versions of Windows. By bypassing the need for NTVDM, not only streamlines the process, but also enhances the security and efficiency of running these legacy applications. So what are the benefits of running 16-bit software in Turbo? It has several advantages. Legacy support. Turbo provides support for 16-bit software which is not compatible with modern operating systems. Turbo can ensure compatibility even as operating systems are patched and upgraded. Centralized management. You can streamline the management of all your applications, both modern and legacy, using a single centralized hub. This simplifies administrative tasks and ensures consistency across deployments. Security. Running 16-bit software in Turbo's containerized environment ensures that any vulnerabilities inherent to older software does not compromise the host system. Additionally, even if a 16-bit application is exploited, the effects are contained within the virtual environment, preventing potential attackers from accessing the host system or the rest of the network. Ease of deployment. You can deploy 16-bit applications seamlessly across various platforms and devices without worrying about compatibility. You can also access your 16-bit apps instantly without worrying about installation. Consistent environment. Because of the virtualized environment, you can be assured that your 16-bit applications will run the same across all your systems. Now, let's take a look at how we can actually use this feature by running through a quick demo of launching a 16-bit application using Turbo.net. We're going to be using an old game called Beyond Zork. Let's check it out. First, we're going to open up our web browser to our Turbo default workspace. We will be selecting the Beyond Zork floppy disk icon. The browser will let you know that the link will open the Turbo client. Select Open. The Turbo client is now preparing to launch our 16-bit application. As you can see, our application has started and is ready to use in full screen. We can also view our 16-bit application in windowed mode. You can also move the window wherever you need to so that you can use your modern and 16-bit applications simultaneously. Now, we'll exit the application. You can see that the Turbo session is now closed. In conclusion, Turbo is a game changer for organizations looking to deploy applications efficiently and securely. Its support for 16-bit applications ensures that even legacy software can be utilized in today's modern and computing environments. With its robust security features and flexible deployment options, Turbo can be your future of application delivery. If you're interested in running 16-bit software, please reach out to us using the link in the description. Thank you and have a wonderful day.